Hello kids! Welcome to my farmhouse kitchen. Today we are going to make yummy and healthy cookies together. Before we start, let's remember some important rules. Please wear your aprons properly, tie them nicely. Wash your hands with soap and water and dry them well. Clean hands help us make safe and tasty food. Now let's look at our ingredients. We need 1 cup whole wheat flour, half a cup of oats, half a cup of brown sugar, a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 ripe banana, half a cup of soft butter, 1 egg, and a handful of nuts, raisins, or dark chocolate chips if you like. Now let's begin. First, take a big bowl. Add 1 cup whole wheat flour and half a cup of oats. Then add half a cup of brown sugar. Add a pinch of salt and half a teaspoon of baking soda. In another bowl, mash the ripe banana until smooth. Add half a cup of soft butter and mix it nicely. Now crack 1 egg into the bowl and mix everything together until smooth. Now slowly combine the wet mixture with the dry mixture. Stir gently until it forms a soft cookie dough. Add your nuts, raisins or chocolate chips and mix again. Take a baking tray and line it with baking paper. Roll small balls of dough and place them on the tray. Press them gently with a spoon. Now comes the baking part. The oven will be hot, so always ask an adult for help.
All right, we will.
Now I am going to place the cookie tray inside the oven. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake the cookies for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges turn golden brown. When they are ready, ask an adult to carefully remove the tray from the oven. Let the cookies cool down for a few minutes before touching them.
We will.
And that's it. You have made healthy, homemade cookies at home. Great job, little bakers. Let's enjoy the cookies.